molds. It will pick the parts and the storage or the put in the final assembly area or the grinding area. We have the wide range of gravimetric dosing system. This our smallest model for the industry, somewhere in the plant on the machine directly. So it's very useful because no one can handle the 25 kg bag in the continued production.
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दोस्तों मैं हूं आपका होस्ट एंड दोस्त शुभम। आप देख रहे हैं इंजीनियर ऑन रोड। वेलकम टू प्लास्ट इंडिया 2023। और अभी मैं आपको लेकर आ गया हूं एक ऐसे कंपनी के स्टॉल पर जहां पर आपको मोल्डिंग मशीन से रिलेटेड जितने भी ऑक्सिलरी इक्विपमेंट्स है सारे मिल जाएंगे। और आज इन्हीं से बात करने वाले हैं। अगर आप इस बिज़नेस में हो या इस पार्ट्स की ज़रूरत है तो वीडियो आपके लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है। सो हेलो सर, कैसे हो आप?
Yes, very fine, and thank you very much for the opportunity. And it's a great Blast India 2023. As you see, today we have the fabulous customers who are visiting over here, and we have the very good discussion. And I can say at the end of the exhibition, everyone will get the good business opportunities for the next future. So it's amazing, and it's a great opportunity for everyone who are visiting over here, who have participated over here, and of course the customers who are actually in this field will get the benefited.
सो अगर जैसे कंपनी के बारे में बात करें, प्रसाद ग्रुप के बारे में बात करें, कहाँ की ऑफिसेज कहाँ हैं, कहाँ से आपके प्रोडक्ट?
Yes. So basically, Prasad Group is the more than 25-year old company. We are in the field since 1980-85, and we have started the manufacturing from the auxiliary products, and today we are the total solution providers from raw material handling. In the raw material handling, from the raw product to the finished product, you can say. So material handling, we are the pioneer. We have all the product range from silos to raw material handling, and heating cooling equipment, drying systems, dosing systems, and conveyor belts, robotic solutions. You can say one-step solution provider or single solution provider in the plastic auxiliary field. And we are taking this proud to say that everyone in the plastic industry take the name with the very proud about the Prasad Group. And it's a customer satisfaction, customer trust and loyalty. That's our gain for the business, and we are very proud of same.
सो यहाँ पर काफ़ी कंपनियों के साथ जैसे कि आपकी कोलैबोरेशन है।
Yeah, so we Prasad Group is an Indian company. We are located in Ahmedabad. Our plant and the manufacturing in Ahmedabad. But we have all the European joint venture and the collaboration as a technology partner, and the it's few of the companies are our joint ventures. You can see the Prasad Coach Technique. It's a joint venture between the Prasad Group India and the Coach Technique Germany. Same way we have the GWK is our joint venture between the chilling solution, and the Wemo is our Swedish partner for the robotic solution for the Krizep, and it's our provider for the conveyor belts and all the system. Plasmac Italy is our partner for the pneumatic conveying system, bulk material handling for the powder conveying. So all are our the European partners and the technology partners to provide the world class solution and technology for the plastic industry.
तो यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारे आपने ऑक्सिलरी इक्विपमेंट्स शोकेस किए हैं। कुछ इक्विपमेंट्स के बारे में देख लेते हैं, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग क्वालिटीज़ क्या रही?
Yes, see, these all are the pneumatic and the servo robots. These are the servo robots. This is the sprue picker, and it's for the basically material handling from the molds. It will pick the parts and the storage or the put in the final assembly area or the grinding area. So it's world class automation from the Swedish company, and we are providing solution over here. And the technology, you can say it's a very you can say it's a end tool technology, no human interface required. We integrate with the machine, and it's fully automated with the any kind of machine. It's Euromap standard. We following the Euromap standards. So any kind of injection molding we can integrate our robot.
जैसे किसी भी कंपनी का है, अगर आपको ज़रूरत है आप हमारे पास आए, हम फिट कर देंगे।
Yes, exactly. कोई भी molding machine लो, but we can provide the solution, fit and forget it. it's 100% workable.
Okay.
And the gripper designing is like that. You just have to show the your product or the article, and we will design the gripper in that way. So it's foolproof solution.
Okay. And this product.
Yeah, these our grinders. It's for the scrap grindings, and it's from Rapid Sweden. It's a 100% imported one. You can say cutting chamber. It's mastery in the cutting chamber. Its cutting chamber is fully imported one that ensure that your cutting of the material is very precise. No powder generation, no dusting generation, no the sharp edges. So basically, it ensures the grinding quality is the world class, and the solution what the end user wants that we are providing. And the life of the cutting chamber is also the, you can say it's a long life, like that 7-10 years or like that, more than that. Our so many customers are that using the rapid grinder since last 20 years without any problem. These are the central chilling plants, means chilling plants from Prasad GWK. We have the joint venture with GWK Germany, and we are producing over here air cooled and the water cooled chillers, and some other heating cooling equipments like mold swap protector, mold descaling unit, and MTC, it means mold temperature controller. So you can see over here the all the chillers, mostly we are using the world class components. Most of them are the 100% imported from the world leaders like Danfoss, Bitzer, and the Copeland. Like it's a main, the technology is there, scroll compressor, screw compressor. So it provides the 100% right and the effective chilling solutions for your main machine and the mold, and the provide you the core edge competency, and your article will be.
So ये है कि सर मार्केट में जो भी लीडर्स है, मतलब वर्ल्ड में कोई भी कंपनी और इस कंपोनेंट में लीडर्स है, आप उनके साथ कोलैबोरेट करते हो आप हमारे?
Yes, all kind of injection molding machine manufacturer, extrusion plant, or you can say any kind of application. Either it's a injection, extrusion, or blow, or filament, or multi layers, or the any kind of plants, compounding or material handling. So they all are our clients, and the big corporates are also our direct clients, and we are taking the crown. Since 25 years, our customers are with us from beginning to till the end. So it's definitely it's proud for us who are joined, who have joined in the past. Since today, since there they are with us. So it's a big proud for us.
So Alpha Dryer.
Yeah, it's our dehumidifying technology for the material drying system. It's for basically hygroscopic material, PET. Its main applications are automotive industries, PET industries, and other areas of the engineering plastics. So basically its work is to remove the moisture, and it's for any kind of such application. It's, we are providing the desiccant based solution, and you can see the multi-container system. So one dehumidifier and the multi-containers for the different material handlings. Dew point is the mastery for its dehumidification, and we are achieving the highest accuracy for the dew point. Volumetric and the gravimetric dosing, that the blending system, we called it the blending system. You can see over the very precise, and we have the wide range of gravimetric dosing system. These are our smallest model for the industry who are the 5 kg per processing, the 5 kg per hour, 10 kg per hour, and they need the highest level of accuracy like 0.01% or 0.1%. You can see over here. It's for virgin, regrind, and the master batch dosing, and you can get the accuracy of 0.05%. So, and the homogeneous mixing, it's an advantage. So, end user will get the accuracy with the product.
So precisely or accurately,
Yes, preciseness, accuracy, no material spillage, no wastage, and no need of any manual intervention, no need of any calibration. So once you feed and forget it, you will get the exact recipe as per your machine requirement.
Okay.
So it's ultimately the highest level of quality and the zero rejection. That's the advantage.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the grinding units. Basically, it's from Moditech, our France collaboration and the technology partner. Purpose of this unit is to cut and use the product, which is basically of the engineering plastic, we can say. It's a very low noise and the low dust generation, and it's also the, you can see the cutting blades are cutting chamber is imported one. We are having the options of metal detection and the titanium coating, which provides the long life against the glass fill type material also. So and the
ये भी है कि सर, जैसे जिनके पास पुराने अगर मशीन्स है उनको अगर इंटीग्रेट करना हो, उनको अपडेट करना हो, वो भी आपसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
yes, definitely. Yeah, we have the product is like what? We are the solution provider in terms of old to new. We can always convert the customer's existing product with the highest level of benefit. In terms of, we are not doing the 100% scrap their products. Our main technology slogan, you can say, economy through automation. So this is the logic behind. Whatever the your old product, we can maximize the benefits through that product, and we can add the new concept, new technology, new areas of automation with your existing product. Yeah.
प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग कांसेप्ट आपको
Yeah, problem solving concept, and the modular concept is there. Use of your sum of the parts and take the advantage of that in the cost benefits with the highest level of automation. So that's the base idea of that.
जैसे ये आप थोड़ा ये बड़ा प्लांट आप शुरू कर रहे हैं
Yeah, this is the basically big jumbo bag unloading station. Right now the material having the many kinds of bagging. One is the 25 kg bag. Now a concept is that people are going towards the jumbo bag, 1 ton bag. So it's very difficult for them to handle the jumbo bag to load and unload the material. So you can see over here we have having the jumbo bag with the hoist. It will discharge the material into the big bag unloading station, and from there you can convey and transfer the material somewhere in the plant on the machine directly. So it's very useful because no one can handle the 25 kg bag in the continued production. Manpower occupied. Area you have to separate it out. So instead of this is a vertical storage, vertical space, and your bagging will be faster, no spillage and wastage, and the one person can handle all the automation. That's the beauty. So transfer of the material.
तो ये तो काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, अगर आप बताने लगे तो हमारी वीडियोस भी काफ़ी लेंथ हो
Exactly,
जाएगी.
sir. We have
सो
the full automation.
ये है कि अगर आपके पास प्रॉब्लम है, आप हमारे पास आए, हम उनका सॉल्यूशन देंगे आपको.
Exactly. Yes, we have the all kind of solution from the storage to raw material handling to the finished product. We have the good network of the service and sales. In India, we have more than 12 offices where we have the good service network and the sales team who are always in touch with the customers for their solution. Basically, concept is what? We are not here to sell our product. We are actually the solution provider against their problems. So selling is the different, but solution provider means to find out their pain area, to how to provide the optimized and the economical solution for the longer life. That's the always in mind.
तो
So
अगर कोई आपसे बिजनेस करना चाहे या
Yeah.
डील करना चाहे, उनके लिए प्रोसेस क्या होता है और कैसे कांटेक्ट करें?
see, we have the very easy process. As I told, we have the Pan India network. We have the global offices also. We have the our websites also. You can at any time you can approach us with the easiest way. And on website we have all mentioned details of our regional offices, and we have the some common email IDs also.
What
And,
is the website, sir?
its website, our website is www.prasadgroup.com. So you can approach us through website also. We have mentioned our all the details. Second one, we are always in the participation with such kind of exhibitions in global and India also.
Okay.
So you can say our many of the customers, I can say our 70% customers are the repeat
Okay.
ones who join. They are always with us, and we are gaining every year 30% of the new customers. That's again the good for us.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर, आपने काफ़ी अच्छे तरीके से हमें बताया और जो भी दर्शक हैं और जो भी इस तरह की डील चाहते हैं उनको काफ़ी अच्छे तरीके से समझ में आ गए होंगे और ज़्यादा जानकारी चाहिए आप वेबसाइट विजिट कर सकते हैं और डायरेक्टली
Yes,
कॉन्टैक्ट कर
yes. You
सकते
can
हैं।
visit www.prasadgroup.com, and we most welcome to our customers or the visitors who can plan the visit of our Ahmedabad factory. It's world-class automated factory, and we definitely care all kinds of for them. And thank you with your media, with your presence. We reach to our customers and pass the message to them. We are with you for any kind of solution in the plastic industry or any kind of application which belongs to the application of such.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.